Ayun, si Hailey, huli, pero hindi kulong. What are you doing, Hailey?
I'm replacing it. Replacing a steering bearing column.
Oh, yeah?
Clamshell
there's a bearing?
bearing, sorry. Clamshell bearing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
So guys, look at her. Meron na siyang bagong torch. Show me your torch, Hailey.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's not one, huh?
New pink snap-on torch for
What's
breast
that, for hand
cancer
or for mouth?
awareness month.
For your hand or for your mouth?
For your hand.
For your hand? Where's your
This one's for
where's
your
for the mouth?
That one's here.
Ayan guys, so ayan, nahiya si Hailey kasi sinusubo daw eh. Nilalagay sa mouth. So ayan. May ano na yan guys, so give it to me. So ayan guys, so bagong torch ni Hailey. Magnetic yan guys, magnetic. So ayan. So makikita nyo. Magnetic na siya guys. So maganda siya. Then may isa pa siyang option here. So ayan. Kita nyo.
How good is it?
Alright. Smoke, mate.
Boko.
Come on. Good job, Hailey.
Thank you.